Sometimes you just crave something healthy and comforting but don't have the energy for an elaborate cooking session. Well, today at Ranna Roshmita, we are whipping up Aloo Gobi Chana Dal, a dish that's perfect when you want something hearty but easy. Let's dive right into the prep of our ingredients. First, grab some chana dal and soak it for an hour. This softens the dal and helps it cook quicker. If you prefer or if moong dal is more convenient for you, feel free to use that instead. Next, pressure cook the dal for 2 whistles on medium heat until it's nice and mushy like this. Next, in a kadhai or a pan, pour in some mustard oil over medium heat. If you're more into refined oil, that works too. Once the oil is smoking hot, toss in some coconut slices and fry them until they are golden brown. This adds a great texture to the dish. Once done, take the fried coconut out and in the same oil, add diced potatoes. Fry them until they are a bit golden, then take them off and set them aside. Now do the same with the cauliflower florets. You might be wondering, why fry the veggies separately? Well, each one cooks at a different rate, and frying them together could lead to uneven cooking. But if you are in a hurry, go ahead and fry them all together. Just know the flavors would be quite as perfect. Once the cauliflowers are golden, take them off and set them aside. Finally, add some cabbage pieces to the pan. Fry them until they get some color too. Then take them off the heat and keep aside. Now, let's move on to the dal. In the remaining oil, toss in a bay leaf, dried red chili, cinnamon stick, green cardamoms, cloves, and a bit of cumin seeds. Stir it all up so the spices infuse into the oil and get nice and fragrant. For a little heat, add in a couple of split green chilies before pouring in the boiled chana dal. Give everything a good stir and bring it to a boil. Once the dal starts boiling, mix in some ginger paste, cumin powder, turmeric powder for the color, and a bit of garam masala. Mix it well so the flavors really blend into the dal. Now let's add the fried veggies back in, starting with the potatoes, cabbage, cauliflowers, and the coconut slices. For a fresh pop of flavor, throw in some green peas too. Mix everything together and adjust the consistency by adding some water as needed. Then season it with salt and optionally add a bit of sugar to balance the spices. Bring the dal to a boil, cover the pan and simmer for 6 to 7 minutes. Once done, check if the vegetables are cooked by cutting one of the potatoes with a spoon. If they are soft, you are good to go. Then take off the heat and finish off with a dollop of ghee for the extra richness and the mouth-watering aroma. And just like that, your Aloo Gobi Chana Dal is ready to serve. This dish goes great with rice, chapati or pulao, perfect for a cozy family dinner or even a special occasion. Thank you for watching. If you love this recipe, don't forget to hit the like, and until next time, happy cooking!